Alright guys, let's make some tacos de papa. Super easy to make and is sure to be a crowd pleaser every time. Let me show you how. I boiled some russet potatoes until soft and then I began to peel them, or you can peel them before, whatever you find easier. Make sure they're completely clean from the skin and then set them aside into a separate bowl. And next you're going to incorporate some garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, cumin, and your cheese of choice. A lot of people like to add cotija, but because I'm feeding it to children also, I'm going to be using mozzarella instead. You can then add some milk to thin it out, but I like to add a little bit of mayo, trust the process here, and then some chicken bouillon. And then you just begin to mash it. Don't worry about lumps, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of this dish. Next, I'm going to heat up some tortillas in a comal to prevent them from breaking when I fold. And while that's being done, I am adding some all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and some water and creating this paste. This here is going to ensure that the taco does not open up while I'm frying. Some people like to use toothpicks. I like to use this hack. You can never taste it. It's just used as a sealant. Then you are going to use your hands to pinch all around. Some of the sealant may come out on the sides, not a problem. Just take it out with your fingers and just mash it down enough to secure it, just like so. Next, you are going to add some oil to a pan and wait for it to heat up. Test the heat by adding the corner of a taco to it and waiting to see if there's any bubbles. If there are, very carefully incorporate all of your tacos inside of your pan. Leave for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until you get a very light golden brown like you see here. Once you feel that they are ready, you get them with some tongs and very carefully take out any excess oil and add it to a separate little plate covered with some napkins to take away any excess oil from the outside. Next, you are ready to plate. I like to garnish it with some cabbage, some white onion, some Roma tomatoes, and then some salsa or chili of choice. Of course, you're gonna add a heavy drizzle of that Mexican sour cream, and I'm finishing it off with some cotija cheese, and that's how you do it.